Now we go back to a previous story as after almost 2 years of being made redundant, former employees of the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica, PCJ, are still in limbo about monies owed to them. The former workers say they have not yet received their pension payments. The PCJ redundancy exercise on March 31, 2020 saw 113 employees being let go by the company.
We had challenges in getting our redundancy payouts, and likewise, we're having challenges in getting our pension benefits.
The former workers did not want to be identified, but say 21 months after, they are no closer to receiving their pension payments.
It's over a year. I'm still out of a job. So every money that is due to me, I really need it because my day-to-day living it's stressful, because I have bills to pay and I have to live somewhere.
There are some persons who even did additional voluntary payment monthly and should have received their voluntary payments back when they were leaving on the 31st of March. And to this day, they have not been paid their voluntary payments.
Their situation is being compounded because the fund is being wound up, which involves a lengthy legal process. But they say attempts to get answers from the Ministry of Science and Technology has not been satisfactory, as responses are sparse and vague. Our newsroom got a copy of a bulletin from the Board of Trustees dated December 6, 2021. Among other things, it stated that approval for the winding up of the fund was granted by the Financial Services Commission, FSC, and that an actuary valuation report disclosed that there is a surplus after making provisions to secure the accrued benefits of all members, which points to another issue. The report states that the rules require the trustee to first improve or augment the basic benefits out of the surplus with the consent of the employer, and thereafter for an allocation of 50% of the remainder to the members on a pro rata basis and 50% to the employer.
PCJ's pension plan has billions of dollars in surplus. And I'm thinking that you would pay that out to the workers because it's our pension plan. Why are you telling us that, before you can pay the surplus, the company has to get a portion? What company? You told us that PCJ closed and that is why you did a mass redundancy exercise. So what company are you talking about? We were never ever employed to MSET.
We can't get our money, we can't get in contact with nobody, we just get a run around. So we need somebody out there who can assist us, we need somebody who can help us.
When we contacted the ministry, we were told an official statement would be sent on the matter. They also suggested that unlike the redundancy separation process last year, the current winding up process for the fund is more complicated, involving the pensions regulation and oversight, and so a date for payout could not be estimated. But the former workers say they are struggling, as it is just taking too long.